Fish are jumping.
That's about it.
I'm crying. I'm crying.
Yeah, let's try.
Look it. Oh, let me turn it around.
Speed.
Look it.
We'll be around this lake in about a week.
Yeah, we're moving, babe.
Woo! Yeah! We're moving. We're moving. Look how far from the dock we are.
His legs are gonna fucking
The
burn.
dock is so close to us.
Hey, SOS. Somebody's going to Fuck the fuck out here.
That's what we got the lantern for.
Listen, Mike, just go like this. Just jump up and down a little bit. Maybe it'll help.
Guys, can you just put your feet out and start kicking already? Goddamn.
Look at this. Step over the fucking back end.
It's not our fault you're 6 foot 100 and some odd pounds. Look at these fish jumping though, Dad. Boy, wish we had some.
Look at these fucking fish jumping. We're gonna drown.
That's the pole, no, but at this rate, we're going to be joining the fish.
I should have brought my phone.
It's okay, I'm recording.
Oh, that's great. No, I got my phone. I'm saying I don't want to fall in the fucking water.
Oh, look, she's getting comfy. She's sitting, but then Frost keeps, hey, you elbowing my dog? Come here. We'll go on this side of the boat. Come on, Frey.
She was
Back it up. Oh, Frey was helping steer. Is that what that elbowing was going on? She's messing with him now. She's licking his arm.
We're just gonna go backwards, okay?
All right, we're just going backwards. Ready? Let's go, y'all.
You guys can have the view.
Memory, all alone in the moonlight. Guys, this is...
Baby, look.
We're literally about 2 inches from the fucking thing back here.
I know, I can see it. Selfie time, ready? One,
Definitely ain't no
three.
fucking 5-man boat unless you put somebody up front to fucking put that weight back.
Okay, you got out of the picture. This is comical.
gonna
I
tell
told
us
y'all this was going to be fun.
Are we
All
gonna
right,
run
everybody
into
say
anything?
bye.
Not
Any
yet.
last words, Dad?
Yeah, help.
Say bye, Mom. Help! Okay, Freya, say bye-bye. Even she said help. Say bye, baby. You did great. You did great, baby.
Above water.